All right, folks, gather around and let's dive into some breaking news from the crypto world. In 2022, the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp, told multiple U.S. banks to hit the brakes on crypto activities. This bombshell info was dug up by Coinbase through a lawsuit, unveiling letters that said, "Pause all crypto-related activities until further notice." Paul Grewal, Coinbase's chief legal officer, argues that these letters are solid proof of a coordinated effort, dubbed Operation Chokepoint 2.0, to deny banking services to the legal crypto industry. He claims this isn't just conspiracy talk, it's real and documented. So, why did the FDIC do this? They cited the need for clear compliance guidelines, leaving banks in a confusing limbo. The FDIC, along with the Federal Reserve and the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, have issued broad cautionary guidelines but no solid regulations yet. What's more, the FDIC hasn't commented on the release of these letters. Grewal is pushing to remove the redactions to reveal which banks were involved and what services they were planning. This whole situation has even caught the attention of Congress. Crypto leaders have voiced their worries about being cut off from essential financial services, with even federally chartered banks like Anchorage Digital facing hurdles. And with the 2024 elections around the corner, could we see a shift in the regulatory landscape? Only time will tell. So, what do you think? Is this a government crackdown or just a regulatory mess? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the wild world of crypto. See you next time.